Here's 3 tips for keeping things organized inside a shed up at the lake. First is storing your life jackets. What we did is took a 2x4 and drilled holes in it every foot, and then just took these branches, whittled the ends so that they fit in the holes, stick them in, use wood glue, and they work great for things like ropes and especially for life jackets. So you're going to have a bunch of little kids' life jackets up here. You just put them right on the hook. They stay organized, easy to grab. We have some lowdown for the kids that can just grab them. They know where they are. They're not just piled up in a box or in a tote and get lost and forgotten. You might need some extra support, so I do have a 2x4 here in the middle and going all the way down to add some support so it's not all hanging off the side of the shed. The next thing is fishing poles. They're big and bulky and they get tangled up. You want to get them up and out of the way. So what we did is mount them up here on the ceiling. On this end, there's just an S-shape cut where the handle sits in. And on the other end is a little bit trickier. You want to be able to easily pull them down, but you don't want them to fall. So we used felt on the back, and on the front, I took a milk carton and cut out a little hook shape so they can easily be pulled down and then just pushed back up into place. We mounted those to the frame, so it's just whatever board you have. This happened to be a piece of baseboard we had. It's not holding a lot of weight. This can't be more than 2 or 3 pounds. So again, you just pull it down from the end, and you can just get it off really easily. Put the butt end into the hook, push up, and the little clasp catches it. And the last thing that's also a bulky thing that gets lost and shoved into the corner are things like paddles and oars. For that, just take a board and 2 posts and you put them up on an angle like this. And you could just hook on your paddleboard paddles, your canoe paddles. It could be just 1 post like a hook, but for paddles it works great. When you have 2 prongs, and you can hook the paddle end or the handle end, and it keeps it nice and straight and organized. And you can see we have 4 paddles, and it takes up virtually no space vertically. It's better than the alternative, which is this, which is just piling stuff up in the corner, which happens anyways. So I hope this helps. I hope this gives you some ideas for taking a small space like a shed and making it as organized as possible and giving you as much space as you can possibly use. Let me know what you think. Thanks.